Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Robin Caprice Marino, also known as Robin K Designs, and today I'm going to be doing this transfer in All Things Give Thanks. I believe I'm going to do this in white, bright white, pumpkin spice, bright white, and then pumpkin spice, and then green envy for the leaves. This is a B-size transfer. And I would appreciate it if you would share my video. This is a Chalk Couture video tutor, and I am a Chalk Couture independent designer. And if everybody's doing good today, please share my link and give me a thumbs up if you like it. All of my links should be down below if you want to join. If you want to, I'm putting back on the back of the back sheet so that I know which side is the right one to put the transfer back on. Right now I'm fuzzing it. If you, I was going to say, I have a Facebook VIP link down below. If you're interested, just comment below that you want to be a part of it. For my customer, it's for my customers only, no designers. Please, I'll be posting. I'm kind of new at this, so I'm figuring out the whole game as it is. But I'll be posting specials and stuff there. Sticky. I don't want to stretch it. So I want to stretch or hurry. Sticky. You can tell here. On it. So I kind of wrinkle it. You want to fuzz it like 3 times. You can see me doing this or not. Okay. I want to center this on my board. This is a boutique board. If you join and become a designer, it will be in the designer kit. This is the board I got in my designer kit. And I also have a video showing what you get in the designer kit. It does vary. Since I got mine in October, I probably will get different ones than you got. Or you'll get. I know they've run out of a few different boards and stuff, so this board should be in it, but I think the smaller board, the round one that comes in it, may have changed it to another one. I'm going to run this over. I'm going to make sure that this is all flat so we don't get any air bubbles in there. Down. Okay. And I'm going to start. With the white. And this does dry fast if it dries. So you want to kind of put it on a little thick and then scrape it off. So that way it doesn't. I'm stirring it now. You want it at a yogurt consistency. This is the bright white Chalk Couture paste. What I like about these is that when this board, when the holidays are over with, or the fall, and I want to change it to Christmas, I just have to add a little water and change it to Christmas or New Year's. I should have this open already. And I'm going to stir my pumpkin spice. That looks good. And I'm going to use this bigger squeegee. Should have maybe a smaller one for that. Mix them. I don't really care if I mix them. I think it'll be pretty. Smaller squeegee now. I think I can still. Let's see. This is so much fun to do. I love to make these come out such neat designs, and I've been crafting for a long time and I just found this so fun to do. That there. Let's get the green on. Stir it up. This is green envy. Pumpkin in there, but that's okay. Scrape some of this off. So don't waste it. It's good because this stuff lasts a long time. You just scrape it right off. Just don't want it to dry. Sure, it's not my board, but I can make that off. Taped it. Okay, I'm done with the green envy. Okay. So I'm going to get the white. This white off. Okay, I'm going to put that in there. I'm just going to put that here. I'm just going to go ahead and peel it. Make sure you got the excess. touch this. I want to make sure that it's nice and easy. And all you have to do is wash these off with cold water. These things are clean sheet. It's all wrinkled. Stick it right here. The way, except for that. Let's see. Really liking the way it turned out. A little bit of spot there. The rest looks good. And I'm just gonna put my dryer. These little spots here. I think I like it anyways, just the way it is. Okay, now I just get this thing we have over here. Okay, these little sponges that you get. That is done. Do you see it? Good. And thank you everyone for watching my video. And I'm going to be trying to get more and more out. Again, check my links out below. Check my Facebook channel. Click onto my links and like this and share it. Thank you.